So, hello, once again I'm back on my old trustworthy, not Dell Alienware, but Lenovo Legion 5 Pro AMD edition. And while I'm back on KaOS Linux once again, this time is going to be different. So before I will begin, let me check out if the stream is working properly, because I'm recording as always, recording and streaming, and today it's on Twitch service. Okay, this works just fine. So let's continue. Let's go and check out the system information. You can pause the stream or later on the YouTube video when it will be available on the YouTube channel. As you can see, KaOS Linux with the latest updates, etc, etc. Pay attention to the screen resolution, which is 2560 by 1600, running at 165 Hz. However, I'm recording and streaming in full resolution, but 30 FPS. And the rest of the system information, you can pause the stream and take a good look at your own pace, as I said before. Also pay attention in GPU. This time around, it's NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Mobile or Max-Q. Anyway, with these things out of the way, I try to customize the system as best and as quickly as possible. My experiences with my Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition kept me in some good speed. So almost all of the things are here, like date, time, weather, calendar, and so on. They are here, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me show you my OBS settings. Sorry, misclick. Here we are. So yeah, video 2560 by 1600, 30 FPS. I'm using hardware encoders, FMPEG AAC for FMPEG FMPEG AAC for the audio, and NVIDIA NVENC H264 for the video. I'm using 16,000 bitrate, and these are the rest of the information, and NKV for the file. The thing is that just like the other times, once again I'm using my hack, my OBS hack, which I have mentioned that it's inside the OBS post that I did on the KaOS forums. Let's go there quickly. So it must be somewhere here. Okay, so here it is. So anyone who will follow this here will be able to stream regardless if you are using an AMD or NVIDIA GPU on KaOS Linux, with no problems on KaOS Linux. The latest edition, which is this one. Basically, what is KaOS? A Lean QD distribution. KaOS is an independent, built from scratch Linux distribution focused on Qt. And you have to read here about the news. The latest version, which is KaOS Dinit, released on June 2026. I can't talk today. I'm tired, more than usual. Anyway, after almost 3 years of preparation and close to a year of trials, building, testing and rebuilding, KaOS is proud to present to you a fresh stable ISO that is fully Dinit based. For those interested in the reason why all these changes, please read Systemd and the Future of KaOS. Another article here. So yeah, if you want to use the latest KaOS update and you want to stream and record on this system, just use my own hack if you have problems and everything will be well. Or seemingly everything. I'm not the perfect streamer myself, not even close, but for me it works just fine. And I'm using the camera, the microphone, and you know, full resolution, full quality ever. I can't speak more so than usual. Anyway, this is my dock. I didn't show you this. This is how I control the panel up here. And as you can see, most of the stuff are already customized. But we are here. The big mission, the big quest was if I was able to make Blackmagic's DaVinci Resolve Studio 21 to run on this computer, and to be more specific, to run with KaOS Linux too. So it turns out that it's not a child's play to make it happen. I did make it happen, but it took me like a crazy amount of effort, time and effort, plenty of experimentation, but finally I made it happen. So here it is. I have a special icon. I call it DaVinci Resolve Custom, or you can launch the app with my method through the terminal, no problem. I will use now this one, but keep always in mind that I have exhausted all of my free time to make this happen, so I haven't made a proper test. I promise that I will return tomorrow with a proper test, but as you can see, the app launches just fine, and you can customize it, no problem whatsoever. And it uses, as you can see, CUDA, neural engine optimizations on NVIDIA, and then NVIDIA GPU just fine. And the best thing, just like the other times with the NVIDIA GPU, is you can quit the app and you have no performance penalty. So the system is like stable and performative, so no troubles there. So this is the video for today. Not going to waste any more of your time. Hopefully you like what you see. Hopefully you will stick around for more KaOS Linux videos. I enjoy this distribution quite a lot. I have a few details to correct here and there compared to my previous Dell Alienware M17R5 AMD edition. So I will get there. But yeah, for example, I have my wallpaper running, but I'm not sure if it's running 100% correctly, and the same is true about my cursor factory, which is again seemingly running, but I'm not sure 100% about it. But yeah, more action is coming on KaOS Linux. Tests, of course, related to Blackmagic's DaVinci Resolve Studio 21. And yeah, we will see. I shouldn't have made this video this early. Anyway, as always, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye!